Are you confused about color selection? Do you find picking out fabrics for your quilt to be the hardest part? Do you feel like everybody does a better job than you? And are you tired of settling for just the kit? I can help you. I'm Jenny K. Parks. I've been quilting for over 20 years, teaching in quilt shops and helping customers just like you. I'm the person who helps you pick out the fabric you love. That's what this color course is all about, helping you find color courage for yourself. This course has several targeted lessons so you can choose the ones you want or take them all. This color course is specific to quilters. I offer you practical advice that you can take from the quilt shop into your sewing studio. Learn all my methods for selecting fabric and see what you've been missing. Walk with confidence next time you go into the quilt shop because color courage, yeah, you got this.